What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Chilling with Jay, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? Back over here at the F350, man. I've been keeping this one a secret from you guys, man. I had blew up my motor, but not necessarily blew it up. My heads went out. As you guys can see, my heads went out. And we took the whole motor apart and rebuilt it and bulletproofed it. I'll let the mechanic explain that part much better. Instead of just doing the heads, I'm like, man, let's just go ahead and change everything so I won't have no more problems, any more hiccups with it. So we end up doing that, and then I came to pick it up and noticed that my cab was rusted out. I'll show you guys the pictures. Yeah, man, I seen that and I'm like, man, I need another cab. So he was like, man, I got another cab if you want to buy another cab. I'm like, yeah, man, I need another cab, man, because that ain't gonna work for me, man. I gotta get something else, man. I don't want to be doing all this work to the motor and then the cab rusted out and then got to find somebody to do all that body work to the cab. Do you got a cab, or you know somebody that got a cab? And he was like, yeah, man, I got a cab back there, you want to buy it? So I'm gonna introduce y'all to the new cab. It's the new cab right here. So it got zero rust, no rust at all. The windshield cracked, and we had to take this radiator bracket off of my old cab and put it on this cab because this piece here was bent. So we had to take this whole piece right here. We had to take that off and take it off my old cab and put it on a new cab. But other than that, you guys, the cab is straight. And I always wanted these lights right here. I'm gonna redo them though. I'm gonna change them and put some new ones up there and get the insurance company to put me a new windshield. But yeah, man, what you guys think? It only got this dent right here. That ain't nothing. Nate can get that out. But the cab is pretty much solid, you guys. It's pretty decent, but I'm gonna take all my insides out and put it in here. And the A+ that we did get from this cab to my cab, let me show you guys on this side. My cab, you know, I have to roll down my windows manually, but this one here, it has power. So that's an upgrade. So now we're gonna have power everything, power locks, power seats, everything gonna be powered. So that's the A+ about this new cab, and we ain't gonna have no rust work. And I wanna change this back window to a sliding window, so I'm gonna take that window off and put a sliding window. Just trying to get it right, you guys. I've been keeping this one a secret from you guys. I was kind of trying to wait till I had more to show you guys before I show you guys this part. You feel me? Like, I ain't want to show you guys and then 2-3 months go by and you guys be like, man, what that? So I was trying to let the process of the truck get farther along before I show you guys. See right here, zero rust, you guys, zero rust. On my old cab, as y'all seen the pictures in the video, rusted out. Ain't no rust on this cab whatsoever at all, you guys. No rust at all, you guys, at all. And y'all seen from the pictures how my cab look. So that's an A+ there. And that's pretty much it, you guys, with this cab. We getting an upgrade with the headlights on the top, like I said, and having power everything. So we finna take it over to Nate's shop because this brace here got to be welded in a couple spots. So we're gonna take it over there to Nate's shop so he can weld a couple spots on that. And then we're gonna take this take the cab, bring the cab back over here. And once we bring the cab, yeah, he got to get the forklift. Nah, the truck right here. Yeah, my cab rusty, so I got a new one. No, that's a new cab. My cab that underneath it was rusty. So I bought that cab to put on here. Then I'm gonna get it painted. Huh? Yeah, they still in there. So okay, you guys. Huh? Yeah, I know. Yeah, you guys, so we getting it done, man. I ain't tell you guys about it because I wanted to be farther along so I could show you guys the process. I feel like ain't nothing been done or been getting done for me to show you guys, so y'all will be like, man, when you gonna drop another video on the truck, man? When you gonna give us an update on the truck? Because people been asking me to give an update on the box Chevy, but I put the box Chevy aside to finish the truck because these are my money makers. These trucks make me money, so I kind of push the cars on back burner to move forward with the trucks. But yeah, man, this is what we got so far with it, you guys. So we're gonna, like I said, go get this cab welded, get the radiator bracket welded, bring it back, they put it back together, and we should be good to go. I gotta order some injectors. 4 injectors are bad, and the high pressure oil pump is bad, so I'm gonna go and replace those tomorrow, and then they can start back putting the motor together, doing their part with the motor. And then until we get this cab back, y'all stay tuned, man. Nate gonna get me right. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, we made it over here to Nate's shop. He finna get ready to weld all these holes for me. Where the rivets was. Right here. If you guys can see, all across there. And here. You guys can see. And here. And back here. He said he might have to take off the door, so he's gonna weld all those rivet holes back in there too, and right here. So after he do that, I'm gonna clean up, pressure wash the frame, well, pressure wash the cab, and then clean the inside. I want to clean it before I take it back. And right here too, you guys, we're gonna rivet, I meant. Weld them back. Weld all that back. Right here. You're gonna line it back up straight. And then weld them up. Here too. The radiator bracket. So, I'm getting it done. We working. Got the weld out. One thing at a time, man. Everything's a process. So that's what we're doing right now, you guys. I'm gonna get set up. So while he's doing this, I'm gonna go inside the cab and wipe it down and clean it up. Get you guys some of that footage. Cause when I say this cab is dirty, this cab is dirty. The camera don't show all of it, but trust me, she's dirty. I'm gonna wash the outside once he's done. But as far as the inside go, man, she's dirty. So I want to get this all cleaned up as good as possible, as much as possible. But other than that, we don't have no rusty cab no more. For sure. Clean cab. Everything clean. But before I put the cab back on or take the cab back over there, I'm going to paint this underneath too, to protect it for 20, 30, 40 more years. So I want to protect it. Put that black coating that they use on the boat. Same paint I used on my trailer. It stops rust. It protects it. It protects it from rocks, dirt, sand, everything. I love that paint, man. As y'all can see, it's been holding up on the trailer. So far, so good. Trailer still look good. Couple little touch-ups on it, but so far so good. It holds up. So I want to put that same paint underneath there to protect it, so we won't have that problem again. But yeah, you guys, let me get set up and get into it, man. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it done. One day at a time. And today is that day we're gonna get this radiator bracket welded. So let's get into it. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna win for lose with these pieces that go here. They be broken all on.
Yeah.
I swear. Every truck, bro, they broke.
Mine ain't broke, but mine ain't on.
Oh, yours ain't broke?
I don't even know if it's on there or not. No, it's on
Hey,
there. It ain't broke,
bruh,
it's hanging
every
though.
truck. Alright, you guys, I got everything out. Pretty much got everything out. I wanna got this door panel back on. Put that panel back on. Like I said, like I was just telling Nate, man, she pretty decent in the inside, to be honest with you guys. She pretty clean. Not bad. Headliner good. Man, this cab is nice, man. Y'all won't believe what I paid for it. I literally stole it. Literally. Got it for a great price. Let's just put it at that. Even the dashboard, man. Look at the dashboard. Dashboard clean, cluster clean. Steering wheel decent, just right there. But we'll put the little steering wheel cover over it. But overall, you guys, even the seats is nice. But I ain't keeping those seats. They gotta go. Those seats gotta go, you guys. All the panels are great. And you already know we got that power. So we're gonna have power everything in this cab, you guys. But overall, you guys, she pretty much clean. I'm gonna get this carpet changed out to black because I got kids. Even though my kids don't bring in dirt or like I was saying before Nate started doing that, I'm gonna change out the carpet to black because I got kids. But even though my kids are not nasty kids like eating food, dropping it on the floor, not picking up their trash, I don't have that problem with my kids. So I just like to have a black carpet in general. So I'm most definitely gonna change this carpet out to black. I just like the black look of the carpet. I don't know, it's just me. I like that black look of the carpet. Everything else can stay the same color. We're gonna snatch the seats out of the other truck and put in here. Like I said, man, these seats are pretty decent, you guys. The only thing really beat up is this right here, the middle console. But if I decide to take the seats out the other truck, we could just take the whole center out of there too. So we'll have the center, the left, right, and the back seat. So we can rock out with that. And the seats, you know, I redid my seats in my cab, so it matches this dark color. So that'll be perfect. So we could just take the seats out of there and put it here and sell these seats to somebody that's looking for some decent seats. That ain't too bad. The only thing that I see is this on the driver's seat. Hey. Other than that, they decent. If you ask me, they decent. Go around and show you guys the door panels in perfect condition. Like I said, we got that power lock, power window. Everything decent there. Nate keep making all this noise, so every time I get over here, you guys can't hit me. Show you guys the driver door. Driver door decent, not beat up, just need to be cleaned up. Power everything. So guys already know how we coming, man. We gonna get alright. Alright, you guys, I want to get this damn door panel clean. Got them heavy duty cleaning wires. Let's see what they do. Guess not today. Doing a little something.